Let's be real. In 2026, if your audio doesn't sound studio grade, your content is already invisible. We've moved way beyond robotic voices and glitchy background tracks. Today, AI can clone a voice in seconds, write a chart-topping hit from a text prompt, and clean up a noisy basement recording to sound like a multi-million-dollar studio. These are the top 5 AI audio tools you need to master this year. First up is the undisputed heavyweight of voice, ElevenLabs. By 2026, they've perfected emotional inflection. It's no longer just about reading text, it's about feeling it. Their new multilingual V3 model allows you to clone your voice and have it speak 40+ languages while keeping your exact tone and personality. For creators, their voice design tool means you can create a unique brand voice that literally nobody else on Earth has. Suno AI has officially broken the music industry. In 2026, Suno isn't just making clips, it's producing full-length, broadcast-quality tracks with lyrics, vocals, and arrangement. Their V5 model allows for stem separation, meaning you can generate a song and then export just the drums or just the vocals for your own mix. It is the ultimate tool for YouTubers who need custom, royalty-free music that actually sounds, well, good. Not everyone has a soundproof room. That's where Adobe Podcast Enhance comes in. By 2026, this tool has become so advanced it can remove almost any background noise, leaf blowers, crying babies, you name it, and reconstruct your voice using AI to sound like you're speaking into a $3,000 Shure SM7B. If you're recording on your phone or in a car, this is your secret weapon for professional quality. If Suno is for everyone, Udio is for the audiophiles. In 2026, Udio's high-fidelity output is indistinguishable from human-produced music. What makes it special is the in-painting feature. Don't like a specific guitar solo in the middle of your AI track? Just highlight it and tell Udio to replace it with a saxophone. It gives you surgical control over AI-generated music, making it a favorite for indie game devs and film scorers. Finally, for the creators who need total mood control, there's Soundraw. Unlike the others, Soundraw lets you customize the structure of the song. You can tell it to make the intro longer, make the chorus more intense, or remove the bridge entirely. In 2026, their new video match feature automatically syncs the beats of the music to the cuts in your video. It's the ultimate time saver for editors. Whether you're cloning your voice with ElevenLabs or scoring a film with Udio, the barrier between a good creator and a pro creator has never been thinner. The question is, are you going to use these tools or get left behind? Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Helps for more 2026 tech breakdowns.